It was a serene morning in Aceh on December 26, 2004, when the ground beneath suddenly roared to life. A massive earthquake stirred deep under the Indian Ocean, sending ominous ripples toward the unsuspecting shore. This is where our story of resilience and loss begins. The camera pans slowly over the early morning in Banda Aceh. People going about their everyday lives are highlighted. Children playing, marketplace bustling, families enjoying a quiet breakfast. But beneath, something stirs, an impending doom unseen. The sea pulls back, a curious phenomenon that draws the unsuspecting closer. Then, silence. A deep voice narrates with urgency. It came with no warning. The calm becomes chaos as an enormous wall of water, a tsunami, rolls forward with relentless force across the land. Visuals shift to the towering wave, casting a dark shadow over the city, relentless and unstoppable. The soundscape erupts into the harrowing wail of sirens, the desperate cries for help, and the terrifying roar of water devouring everything in its path. A visual montage unfolds, showcasing nature's fury and the fragility of life. Buildings crumbling, vehicles tossed aside, communities engulfed. We witness silhouettes of survivors amidst the wreckage, faces etched with shock, disbelief, and raw agony. A mother clutches her child, eyes searching desperately for family. Silhouettes of individuals on the shore are illuminated by the eerie glow of destruction, capturing the magnitude of their loss as they stand among the debris of a life swept away. More than 230,000 lives were lost across several nations, the narrator continues. Aceh bore the brunt, its people, homes, and dreams crushed under nature's unforgiving power. The scene slowly transitions from chaos to the aftermath. Scenes of devastation paint a grim picture, but amidst the ruin, glimmers of hope emerge. Aid arrives. Communities, bound by shared grief, begin to rebuild. Strangers become family as they gather to revive what was lost. The final scenes depict Aceh's gathering, resilient in spirit, determined in resolve. They clear the debris, rebuild homes, and console one another, demonstrating an inspiring resilience. The narrator concludes, though scarred by this tragedy, Aceh stands as a testament to human strength and courage. In the face of nature's wrath, the human spirit arises undefeated. This is Aceh's story, a story of survival, rebuilding, and enduring hope that outshines the darkest shadows. The screen fades to black with a lasting message. Our hearts are with you, Aceh. May humanity always find the strength to rise anew.